Can I
You be very candid, okay?
Yeah.
This is nothing. This is only for my personal.
I don't know. No, 1 minute. I have quite similar words for all of them. So
No, that's not allowed. You need to customize big enough to like have few more words.
they're waiting for something.
No, you start. We are waiting for your mind
Oh
to
my
start.
God. Grina, one word. Why are you doing this to me, yaar?
We are respecting you by not making too big noise.
Yeah, that's true, that's
So forever. So you also have to respect the small closure that we are down.
That's true. Okay, Grina, I think sunshine. Yellow smile.
Sweet.
Yellow smile. Supriya. Supriya, I think. Big sis. But I've been the big sister.
Mama.
But yeah.
You're my mama.
Supriya was the first person I did. So I say love at first sight. I'm thinking now. I'm going so nicely.
Hitting on everybody.
Gauravi?
Hitting on
Gauravi is not
everybody.
big sister. Gauravi is baby. Bacha.
Baby Gauri.
Gauravi, they always been small babies in Vietnam. Not yet. Gauravi has a small baby that I like to cuddle. Even sometimes she makes me upset, but I still love her. Sometimes I just like, it's fine. Like she's a small, I don't know, a baby. My baby. Yeah, my baby says a lot.
A baby says about that, my baby. You know, small kids who are already small kids will take the doll and then my baby. She's just like that. Herself, a baby is asking her to be a baby.
Yeah. Yeah, she always been. I always care so much about my mom. Yeah. Anyway, Isha. Isha has been not my baby, but she's been. See, this is big sister. This is baby, and same for Krina. Isha is more like it's same like sister, more sister, not big or small. It's more like a twin kind of. Like we always, I don't know. She was my long distance sister for very long time. For very long time. I say love her too. Like big love. Big love. We don't have to be next to each other all the time.
You are not reachable to anyone, but I think except Rashmi, you are not reachable to anyone.
This girl unreachable to me when I was sitting alone in Starbucks, and she was like, Isha, are you alone? Are you sitting alone? Do you want me to come?
She's at Starbucks at 11. I was like, bro, I love you, but not this much. We'll never talk at Starbucks.
You had come to me. No, sorry. I've seen an opposite world.
She was working at 11 and I told her don't work at this time.
Is it on record, Rashid? Please show it to her that I was working until 11.
Rajeshri, Rajeshri, I have a word. I think crush.
Oh my god!
I'm blushing. I can't blush more.
Like big crush. Like looking like this. Like this. You know,
Yeah.
this
She loves you already.
we had 4 hours meeting the first time. Right after we became this.
She has only gushed about you to us. Like, yeah.
Rahul is the gentleman.
Rahul is my
Another baby.
Another baby.
Rahul is my comedian. I know that when I feel low, even if I don't tell him, I just like look at him and just say something random.
It's fine.
Rahul is very caring. Rahul. Even when he goes behind my building and goes to drink, he never calls me. Because he knows I'm not the right way to go for a drink.
Typical NRI के होते हैं ना. All those bullshit students. I mean, the good thing as well.
What do you mean? NRI?
He's on his words. Way apart.
Yeah. So NRIs are more Indian.
I am more Indian.
Also, one adults have fun with
See, he always tells me, I chill.
I feel like
When you say that,
living a very boring life.
I love my life.
You come here,
Without
you
alcohol.
go home, you sleep, you come here, you go.
Oh no. You say that, they don't drink. I enjoy my life without drinking.
Good luck with that. हो गया यार अभी से
Bravo, say something nice, no?
Hey, it's nice. Banana is a good.
Yeah.
So, Chloe is that person who will give you the best advice and she sees it. So just continue being that person. I don't know how you sense those vibes, but she'll just walk up to you and tell you if you're stressed, you're not good. She'll just say, wait, love, don't worry, everything will be
She's a great counselor.
She's a great counselor.
Aww.
So, you're a great friend. And you're right, the love thing.
She'll start crying like
Kiss.
No, don't do that. Don't do that to me.
Really? Rahul.
You guys did it.
What you said, you're right.
Come.
Gauri or
Supriya.
ये बीच में
मैं जो राहुल गौरव
you and your
recordings. कहाँ है
I'm going on my
फिर इसके साथ मेरी भी टिकट दे देंगे चले जाओ जॉइन करेंगे
Supriya. Supriya is ready. I'm still writing the story.
Tanu, you have to say one word. So everybody said one word about Chloe. So Chloe said one word to everyone. So first you say, then we start again.
Tanu,
One word.
Tanu is, I don't know how to say, but Tanu, maybe phrase it properly.
One word you say about each person.
What did she say?
You say
No,
now.
I'm thinking how to phrase it. No, I have it. You have it.
She's phrasing.
No, I want to say it, but I want to frame it properly for you to understand. Tanu is, I'll say hard. Because when you get that, you're very guarded. I don't know that. But when you know that person and you allow that person to enter, you're very sweet and caring and you have all that. So I felt that with you. So I say heart for Tanu.
Heart for Tanu.
Heart for
Dilruba. So we can call her Dilruba then.
What is that? We don't do it.
It's such a good memory, Dilruba. Yeah, okay. So now, sorry to Supriya continue. Now people will say one word. So.
Yeah, but she's taking three. She knows very nice.
oh my god.
She's a baby sister to me and one relation with Serbia. Like I got a friend a sister in Serbia with whom I want to that relation which I want to keep after Serbia. Maybe in life. Yeah.
Plus she did not for any candles in your wedding.
No, and she was there just next to me.
No, I said so much for your
It
wedding.
will be very
Thank you for being not an
She does that. Yes, I guess.
थोड़ा बहुत किया था
Nice.
That's it.
Chloe is also the one who has irritated a lot. Bro,
You for sure.
I'll tell you. You did not return. You didn't return to Bandra when I told you when we were going to CST, and we were in that क्या बोलता था? क्या था that आंदोलन? मराठा आरक्षण आंदोलन.
What do you think?
Yeah, she's waiting.
I think Chloe can sense things. If you're not emotionally in the right state, she can sense it and she'll come to you and she'll ask you what has happened. And if you don't tell her कि कुछ हुआ है, then she'll dig in, and then she'll get like she'll make sure that you tell her what has happened and then she will do the counseling thing. And she'll make sure that she prays for you or give the positive anything, because I have experienced like that when I was in Udupi. and I got a call from my parents and something was not right. But she made sure that she's there with me. She was there for all 3 days with me.
Among them, right?
Taking it 2 months about Chloe.
Nice to have you around.
Very basic.
Yeah, thank God. God, you said that.
Chloe is not from Paris. She's from Paris.
Chloe is not from Paris, she's from Paris.
परेल से बेटर पालनपुर लगा.
See, this is
Okay. So,
Third of Trina.
This is like a shower.
now she's
thinking. Positivity. I think positivity, how they said counselor, I think you're like this gardener. You'll just make sure that all of us are happy, all of us are blooming and doing the usual. But I think you're also a rainbow because there have been days when
So the gardener died.
Bright shit coming in.
juicy. I think it's extremely heartfelt for me and Priya because
yeah.
I think there are multiple sides to you and I think you don't show all your sides and she has so many colors to her personality but we only see the boring ones out. So
Yeah, definitely.
now it's you.
Tanu is here.
Me?
She's looking so nice.
One, she's drama. She's like full on drama. Two, like she. With me? Okay. Like she said that she can sense things. I don't know about sensing, but she observes for sure. And she's pretty good at observing things and figuring out things out of it. And three, I think once she's comfortable with you, she has fucking zero boundaries. Like, she doesn't understand jack shit about boundaries. She'll take away your phone, she'll figure out something and she'll do something on it and you'll be like, oh my god, why did I let that loud out? Yeah, but that's her. So it's been lovely having you. And we stay in touch and we say that, I don't know, but
Yeah.
we try. And
We are
we stay
supposed to
happy.
plan a karaoke. Still waiting for that.
In January, we go for karaoke together. Someplace.
We'll do that.
Yes.
Darling, I'll say something about you. So there is nothing. This one word is what I'll stick to. It is compassionate people. Compassion was the first thing that I observed in her, and that is the most powerful thing in her that she writes. Everything smoothly and easily. So wherever I see, because I follow that a lot, that as a human you have to be compassionate, if nothing else. That is the one quality which she wants, and that she has food capable. Food stuff with it. So she's done that, and that's her strength, and keep owning that strength very strongly. Don't ever feel weak because people who are emotional, who are compassionate at times feel thought that they are very weak. But that's not the weakness, that's the strength. We should not all of us for this. And it gets influenced because of the environments that we work in. But that's it. Second, I feel that it's just a mirror childhood. If I would wanted to imagine if I would have been a real, I do not know how I was. But then something like this is something I would love to do, what I would have been doing in my childhood. She's a very compassionate woman.
Both are coughing like crazy.
Yeah. Bye guys.
Hi Chloe, I'm giving you a message to Breeze now.
Waouh! Ma star, merci d'avoir été à mes côtés, non seulement comme mes collègues exemplaires, mais surtout comme mon frère qui m'a soutenu dans les bons moments. Je peux le I'm not okay.
She said the same thing.
J'ai été un peu pour moi, j'ai émergé comme le mouvement de manquer, et j'ai développé des entreprises de santé. Thank you,